MAP pricing. Some manufacturers will set what's called a minimum advertised price MAP for their products and require that all resellers price their products at or above certain levels. This pricing floor prevents the price wars that often break out, especially for products that are easily drop shipped, and helps ensure that merchants can make a reasonable profit by carrying a manufacturer products. If you can find a niche where manufacturers enforce MAP pricing, it is a huge benefit, especially if you plan on building a high value and information rich site. With prices the same across all competitors, you can compete on the strength of your website and would not have to worry about losing business to less reputable but cheaper competition. Marketing potential. The time to think about how you will market an online business is before you launch it, not 3 months in when you realize that customer acquisition is a nightmare. Can you brainstorm a number of ways you could promote your store by, for example, writing articles, giving away products, or reaching out to active online communities that use the products you are selling? If not, you may want to reconsider your plans. Additional accessories to sell. As a general rule of retail, margins on lower priced accessories are significantly higher than those of high priced items. While a cell phone store may only make a 5% margin on the latest smartphone, it will almost certainly make 100% or 200% margin on the case that goes with it. As customers, we are much more sensitive about the price on a big ticket item and care less about the price of smaller accessories. The use of previous example, you would like shop around for the best price for an expensive Apple iPhone, but are you going to call around to find the best price on a $20 to $30 case? Probably not. You will likely purchase it from the same store where you bought the phone. Low turnover. We hope you are convinced by now that investing in an education-rich, high-quality site will pay big dividends. But if the products you sell change every year, maintaining that site is quickly going to turn into a mountain of work. Try to find low-cost products that are not updated with new models every year, like tools or personal care products. That way the time and money you invest in a superb site will last longer. Smaller is usually ideal. In a world where free shipping is often expected, it can be a challenge to sell large, heavy equipment that is expensive to ship. The smaller the items, the easier they are to ship cheaply to your customers. Picking the right product is not easy and requires you to consider numerous factors. These guidelines should give you a good idea of the types of drop-shipped products that work well. For more on these attributes, please see the extended article on picking a profitable niche market. Hard to find locally. Selling a product that's hard to find locally will increase your chances of success as long as you do not get too specific. Most people needing a garden rake or a sprinkle would simply run down to the local hardware store. But where would you buy a medieval knight's customer or falcon training equipment? You would probably head to Google and start searching.